Fusion 360 has multiple simulation and analysis tools included. To access them, change the workspace from Design or any other workspace to Simulation. If no simulation has already been conducted on the design, you'll be offered an opportunity to create a new study. In Fusion 360, there are presently 9 types of simulation included. Static stress will allow you to analyze the performance of a component using a fixed load, or multiple loads, that do not change over time. Modal frequency analysis will determine how different frequencies will affect the component. The electronics cooling preview will show you how heat can be transferred between multiple components, and it also has the ability to show the effects of an active fan in the environment to see how it would help cool the components. Thermal analysis will show you how heat can pass through the component from external sources or internal sources. Thermal stress will show you the effects that heat has on the structure of the component. Structural buckling will show you the buckling modes on a component under load. Nonlinear static stress can show you the effects that varying loads have on a design. Event simulation will show you how your design will respond to motion, including the ability for components to come into contact with one another and apply loads to one another. Shape optimization will allow you to use analysis to see if there's extra material that can be removed from your design to optimize the shape. Selecting one of these study types and telling Fusion 360 that you want to create a study will change the workspace, change the browser, and prepare the design to be analyzed in the fashion that you like. It's also possible, as you'll see later in this course, to apply multiple types of analysis to the same design. The combination of different types of analysis and the ease of use of Fusion 360 make it easy for advanced users and novice users to analyze their designs and be able to predict their performance under a broad range of conditions.